Breaking news coming in. Nepal has taken back the proposal to get a new map passed by the parliament. The new proposed political map placed Indian territories of Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipulekh in Nepal and was seen as an effort by the Prime Minister to consolidate himself in the Nepal Communist Party government by whipping up ultra-nationalistic sentiments against India. A constitutional amendment pushed hard by the Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli to alter Nepal's map has now been put on hold. This is Nepal waging a war of maps against India in the disputed area. Geeta Mohan is now joining us for the very latest that is coming in. Geeta, if you could walk our viewers through the latest that is coming in. Nepal putting on hold on the constitutional amendment for new map that indeed ended up upsetting India.
Well, that's right. For now, that's the information that's coming in, that the map that was being introduced has been put on hold for now. The new political map would have included Indian territories of Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipulekh. And the Prime Minister tried to consolidate the entire house into getting resounding support on the consolidation of the map and updation of the map. But in this case, it seems like certain parties did not clear it through their working committee, in this case Nepali Congress as well. And it's the reason why they have had to withdraw the map or the proposal for now. We do not really know whether if it stands absolutely withdrawn and will not be taken up, or for that matter, whether if it has been put on hold. Again, we'll have to wait and see, wait for official confirmations and details to come out of Nepal. But for now, that's the information coming in, that the matter has been put on hold, in all probability keeping in mind the sensitivities involved with regards to the border and India raising and taking up the matter with Kathmandu.
Absolutely, Geeta. Thanks much for getting us that breaking story right there. Geeta Mohan joining us with the latest details. Big story coming in. Nepal taking back the proposal to get new map passed by the parliament.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.